How to use US bank account to receive freelance payments. The first thing that you'll need to do is give clients the correct bank details. Your US bank account will have these key identifiers. If you have a US based clients, then you will need to provide your account holder name, bank name, account number, and routing number. And for international clients, you will need to provide your SWIFT or BIC code, bank name, account number, and your address on bank file. Remember that not all US banks support international incoming wires for every account type. Some banks may charge fees that range from $10 to $20. Then you will need to connect your US bank to freelance platforms. If you are using platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, then you will need to connect your Pioneer account to your US bank account. To be more professional and keep things organized, you will need to send professional invoices. If you work independently, then send clients invoices with your bank details. Your invoice must include your legal name or business name, your US bank details, payment due date, service description, amount due, and late fee terms. With these in mind, you can use US bank account to receive freelance payments. That's all for today. Thank you.